Tostones, or fried plantains. This is a staple of the Latin American world. This plantain it's getting ripe. It's not all the way ripe. It's a little bit soft, but not very. And plantains do not peel like bananas. They look like they should, but fool ya, they don't. So what you do is you cut down through the peel a little ways, 1/4 to 1/2 inch maybe. And I'm doing it along the edge of the plantain so that I can peel it back. So once you get that cut, you still have to coax the thing
Bobby, cut some more.
off the banana, off the plantain. Well, yeah, I thought it would.
Yeah, maybe cut the other.
Thought it would go right around, but it's not.
This one here.
But there is a way. I mean, if you keep just peeling and peeling, it'll come off.
Yeah, it's just completely different. It's a different beast.
Yep, there we go. That's what I was expecting. Where you just get it started and it comes off. That's the way it worked in Belize.
Yeah.
Miss Gloria showed me how to do this. So now we're going to cut these into 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch. You want kind of a substantial piece, and you'll see why later. Okay, so we'll come back and get everything ready to fry these up. So we're going to cook up our plantain. I have in this pan coconut oil. It's actually pretty hot already. So I don't know exactly how much, but it's a puddle. It's not just a thin coating, right? Of the coconut oil.
Okay.
And I have plenty of room in this pan so I can keep these guys separate. So plantains they're more of a starch than a sugar. You know, bananas are really pretty sweet. Plantains have some sugar in them, but they're really starchy. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get these cooked all the way through, just a little bit. And then we're going to do something to them and then try and get them crunchy. So this gets fried twice. So these are looking pretty good on one side, and so I'm going to turn them over. These have to get cooked all the way through. Or raw plantain is not something you want in your mouth. Yeah, I think these look like they're cooked really well on both ends. I don't know quite what to expect in the middle, but what I would like to do is take these off and try one.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
They're gonna be like little fritters.
So these guys are perfect. So I got the heat on as low as it goes, and I'm just going to take these out, put them on a cutting board so I can smash them all.
These are gonna be like dessert for dinner.
They're not as sweet as bananas.
Yeah, that's true. You have those weird little balls of them in Belize.
So here's the thing with this is what we're going to do now is we're going to smash too much. We're going to fry these again, and they're going to get crispy. And that's the goal here is that our things are crispy.
Our things are okay.
Our tostones
Tostones.
are crispy. So I'm just going to go back in the oil with these. Oh, it's like laying down scallops.
Yeah, right? That coconut oil seems to run hot.
Coconut oil will get really hot without burning, and it's a nice thing.
Yeah, it doesn't burn your food, but it's definitely hot.
And now I have extras that won't fit.
Just put them in there. You can make it work. See?
Here are our tostones. They're crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. You know, you could flatten them not quite this much, and they'd be softer on the inside. But they're pretty good. They're starchy, and I would say they don't have a lot of flavor. So this is going to be something really nice to put the molé over. It's going to be crunchy, and it's going to taste like the molé.
I feel like it's kind of like having bread or something like that.
Yeah, or potato slices, or
Yeah.
yeah, it's very much like that.
Just your starch that you put stuff with.
But it's really good. So there you have it. Thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.